This is my Razor quad that my neighbor was about to throw away. He told me it powers on, but it doesn't work.
I tried charging it and it doesn't work either.
Most people assume that if it's not working, that it's broken and good items get thrown out.
All right, here we go. And done.
But in this case, all I had to do is spend $40 to fix it. This Razor Dirt quad runs on 24-volt system. That means it uses two 12-volt sealed batteries that are wired in series.
Goes into here.
The quad had a 2019 sticker on it, which identified that it's not that old, and since we live in Southwest Florida, the quad probably was kept in the hot garage. This already tells me something. It powered on, the light worked, so at first glance, it looked like the battery was probably fine. But voltage and capacity is not the same thing. A weak battery can show voltage, but the moment you apply a load, like trying to drive it, the voltage collapses and it doesn't move. These small sealed batteries usually last 2 to 3 years in real-world environment. Most rechargeable batteries are designed for 500 to 1,000 charging cycles and typically go down with time, especially if you keep it in a hot garage. Then there's something called memory effect. If the batteries are constantly shallow discharged or charged, internal crystal formation can reduce the usable capacity. So even if they still work, they don't deliver full power anymore. Heat makes things worse. Batteries hate heat. High temperature usually creates chemical breakdown, and in a Florida hot garage, that significantly speeds up the aging process. And if it sits unused for months, that's also bad. Rechargeable batteries actually like to be used. Letting them sit partially discharged for a long period of time can permanently reduce their ability to hold a charge. So instead of assuming something major failed, I started with the most common failure point, the batteries. Two 12-volt batteries, about $40. I wired them back in series, and immediately it worked perfectly. Here's the bigger takeaway. A lot of things we throw away aren't actually broken. They're just running on old storage energy. Ride-on toys, small electronic vehicles, backup systems, power tools. Batteries are consumables. Motors and controllers usually aren't the first thing to fail. So before you throw something away, check the battery age. It might just need $40.
Can I wrap it up? Can I wrap it up?
What? Oh, it's still recording?